Hi, so we are back with another laptop video, and today's video we are going to replace the battery of Alienware. Model number is um, M15, Alienware M15, and registered model is P79F. So if you have the same laptop, you can follow this video to replace the battery and how it looks like. If you want to match the laptop with yours, you can see it's like this is like this, the keyboard and the screen. If the laptop is Samsung like this, then follow this video. We are going to change the or replace the battery. So first of all, we will need to open the screws of the back cover. When this and this, and this one, okay, there are total 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. Okay, you need to open all of them, and then after opening you will need one an object like this to open like this. Just push inside and then do like this, push inside and do like this, so it will open. Okay, and don't do anything like in haste. We are here to repair or do the things right, not to destroy the laptop, so be careful while doing anything. So we have opened the back cover. Now we will pull it up like this. So the back cover is off. Now right now in my case there is no battery in the laptop, so maybe in your case there is one battery which is not working. You are going to replace that one. So you need to open the screws, one here, here, here and here. Okay, you need to open the 4 screws and then you can get to the battery. So we have the original battery of the Alienware. This is the battery. This is the model number of the battery, 1F22N. So this is the model number. You can note it down if you want to order this one for this laptop. This is the best fit. So let's open this, and we have the battery. It is the brand new battery for Alienware. Here also model number is written 1F22N. okay, follow this battery if you have same laptop. So now we will put the battery like this, match the holes. Okay, now put the screw like this. Now the battery is fixed inside and it will not move with the laptop. Now the most important thing, attach the battery cable. This is the battery connector or slot. You need to put this over this and match every metal pin with the socket here. Okay, when you match it, then press it. Like this. Done. Now put the back cover back to its location. like this. Tight all the screws like this. Good. Now let's open this and try to turn on the laptop. So there is no charge in the battery. We will attach the charger. So this is the charger. Where is the charger port? Over here. Just put the charger port. Then, so we have the light for charging. It means the battery is detecting. Let's see. Now the laptop is on. After changing the battery, the display will come after some delay. So don't worry about this. Now the display is there. Let's check the battery if it is charging. Right now the battery is charging. As you can see, plugged in. So charge the battery full. Before using it, we will shut down the laptop so that it can charge itself. After 2 hours, we will check it again. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you if you want to replace the battery. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can make more videos for you. And you can press the bell icon if you want to know more about the laptop in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.